Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool power screwdriver and drill from HOTO. Thank you guys for sending this. Your guys' products are always really futuristic, built well, and on point. I've worked with your company quite a few times and this one is no exception. This is a 16-volt brushless drill. It is rechargeable via USB-C to USB-A charger that they provide for the bottom of this, but this thing feels really robust and it's very, very nice. You do have your typical forward and backward switches here that you can move that allow you to move this part up here. You've got a couple of different settings for drilling or putting in screws here as well. And then the back side of this actually has a screen on this. It's actually a nice digital LED screen that you actually can adjust this up to 32 different speeds on manual mode. So you can adjust what speed you want that to be, or you can switch it down here to an automatic mode that will automatically adjust the speed. So let me go ahead and start out by showing you some of these accessories in here. It's got all these bits that are in here that they do provide in this nice little holster here. And you also get all these as well, which are a nice drill set over here. And these drill sets, I mean, these pieces are nice. These are actually nice wood bits on this piece here. Everything seems to be a nice steel. By putting this in here into the end, I'm gonna go ahead and show you here how to drill a hole through this here, widen this hole here. So that's on that 15 speed. We can actually turn that all the way up. Let's go ahead and crank it up here and see what we can do here. I mean, that just punches right through. So when you get that on that upper speed, man, that just really bores right through there. That's gonna work out great. On the back side of this here too, you also have this piece here that you can use if you're gonna be using this for any of these bits. Just simply snap those in. It's kind of got a little magnetic piece there. You can see it kind of sucks that in there. And then you can put this in here to be able to remove anything like screws that are in here if I'm wanting to remove those. I mean, it makes short work of bringing those out or driving those in. Works really well, and it does have a really nice light on the front of this as well. So as you're working out there, even if you're in some darker areas, maybe you're working underneath the hood of a car or something like that, you've got that light on there as well. So loving the fact that this is a great compact unit, nice screen, battery indicator on the back of there. Should work really well. Comes in a really nice case that easily you can carry with you and take you on the job wherever you're wanting to go. It looks well and functions even better.